first thing, we're gonna take some onions and we're gonna slice them as thin as possible. लाल मांस के आगे पीछे बहुत सारी स्टोरीज हैं. कोई कहता है कि जी बहुत स्पाइसी होना चाहिए, कोई कहता है कि जी रोगन जोश जैसा है जी, टमाटर डाल दो, पंजाबी गार्लिक के तड़का मार कर दो, हो जाएगा. Some people say कि लाल मांस मतलब red meat, so it has to be a wild boar or a game, which is all wrong. It's a very simple mutton preparation where the key or the hero is the red chili.
You're not even looking at it while cutting it.
हम तो कर सकते हैं.
You're the Jackie Chan of Indian cooking.
नहीं, एक्चुअली ये कोई भी कर सकता है.
नहीं.
This is close to browning, so if you can take over, you
Yes,
need
sir.
this if at all for the sides to hold.
What do you want me to do?
Just keep stirring.
Stirring, okay.
Just keep stirring, yeah.
तुम्हारी कुर्बानी को मैं रिस्पेक्ट दूंगी.
वो नीचे प्याज कुर्बान हो.
Oh, sorry.
Stir.
Stirring. James Bond, shaken not stirred. चिपक गया.
You need to come there.
हाँ, I told you. ठीक है.
अब बच गया बेचारा.
देखो जी, 2 उंगलियों में इतना ही काम होता है.
So just to stop the browning of the onions, we'll just add very little water. And this is the time when we add some ginger garlic paste. Generous portion, maybe a little more. So as I was talking about this लाल मांस का मिथ्स हैं कि बहुत ज़्यादा स्पाइसी होना चाहिए, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. जोधपुर में एक जगह है मथनिया, वहाँ की जो चिली है, जो कि वो लाल सूखी मिर्च है, मथनिया चिली, ये इसकी पेस्ट बनाते हैं. इसको पानी में डालकर उबालकर इसको पीसते हैं. ये इसका इस्तेमाल होता है और ये बहुत ज़्यादा तीखी नहीं होती. हाँ, रंग इसका लाल बहुत अच्छा निकलता है. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट इज़ यूज्ड. और टमाटर का इस्तेमाल नहीं होता. वी यूज ओनली एंड ओनली योगर्ट.
अच्छा, that's why लाल मांस.
लाल मांस, सिंपल लॉजिक. ऑलराइट. और भुना जब इस बेचारे का तेल निकल जाए, which you can see the specks of oil on the pan there, we proceed with the next step, which is the paste, the chili paste of the Mathania red chili from Rajasthan. There you go. चलिए आप ऐड करिए.
मैं
या
लास्ट डिजास्टर के बाद भी.
कोई बात. If you'll see from a dirty brown to a bright red color, this लाल मांस has now taken it. और ये जितना भूनता जाएगा उतना ये लाल कलर निखरता हुआ आएगा.
Getting a lovely color now.
We're getting the red chili giving its color nice and bright slowly. Now we're gonna just cover it and allow it to cook.
Privacy दे देते हैं उसको.
थोड़ी सी privacy उसकी.
ठीक है.
Very good. All right, we're gonna add water because the mutton is 3/4 done. Just need a lot of water. Just give it one swirl.
मम्मी कहती थी जैसे वो खुरचन जो खाता है उसकी शादी में हमेशा बारिश होती है.
और जो बार-बार खुरचन खाता है उसकी बार-बार शादी होती है.
पूछूंगी मम्मी से.
हाँ.
Good point.
This looks gorgeous. Let's just cover it once, let it get a good boil, and in the meantime, we prepare the तड़का for लाल मांस. एक सिंपल सा तड़का लगता है chopped garlic का देसी घी में. We're gonna give a तड़का of garlic to the mutton. We need some ghee. Nice generous portion of ghee. In goes the garlic.
You know, R.D. Burman could actually make a whole song out of just that sound effect.
I know.
It's such a lovely sound.
There's a bit of music when the food cooks.
It smells so nice.
Nicely evenly brown. So this is a good stage to remove the garlic. Keep it here. Now.
Oi, oi.
Now I'm just going to add this garlic
spice wise we've used just
Red chili paste. No dhania, no jeera, no haldi, nothing.
Nothing, just
No garam
salt.
masala. Yeah, and just long. 2 spices, cloves and red chilies. That's all. You wanna taste? It'll be a little hot.
फिर नेक्स्ट शो में मुंह पे भी बैंडेज लगा के आऊंगी.
So this is done. The only step now left is that we need to smoke it. How do we smoke this? We take some charcoal or wood. You can use a very small piece of wood as well.
Okay.
Just light it up onto the gas. Put it in a bowl. Put
Okay.
that bowl inside the curry. Pour some ghee on top of the live charcoal and cover the lid. Sounds difficult? It's very, very easy.
Oh.
Small
Okay.
little steel bowl, something that will not break and withstand the heat from the charcoal. Inside this, I'm gonna add the charcoal. This is a live charcoal. Now I'm just gonna add 1 small spoon of the ghee on top of the charcoal
Okay.
and see what happens. And you'll allow it to smoke and then you just
Wow.
cover it.
This is so matrixy, man.
Now what happens is the smoke from the charcoal goes inside the curry. The curry acquires this nice delicate smoky flavor and
Okay.
it makes the world of difference for lal mas. Now let's check. Nice. Okay, this goes out.
Right. आप तो कर लो पहले.
आप करो.
मेरे को तो सब पसंद आता है. Now I get this. Oh.
Especially the aftertaste now. It's long lasting.
Yeah.
That smoky flavor. Alright, let's plate it.
ये तो मेरा हो गया. आपका क्या होगा फिर?
मैं ग्रेवी के साथ खा लूँगा. Done. So can you just place this beautiful lal mas on my yellow table?
Absolutely, sir.